Alright, in this video I'm going to do an image quality test of the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, and I do have the DJI Mavic Air 2, and I'm going to have this as a comparison. This should definitely be a better video quality and images. This does take raw photos. This does not yet, so I'll have to do this one in JPEG and this one in JPEG, but this one should be a better video quality and image quality. But we'll compare it to this and see how good this is. This might be all you need. Alright, let's give it a try. Alright, that's it. So this should have been an unfair advantage going to the Mavic Air 2. Tell me what you think about the video between the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro and the DJI Mavic Air 2. If this video looks good enough, if the pictures look good enough, maybe this is the drone for you. There are some other issues with this drone, and I'll be addressing all of them in my videos. But hopefully once this is ironed out, it'll be a good drone. But my main concern is how good of pictures and video does it take, and hopefully this video showed, at least right now, as of the firmware update that they have going on right now, it'll show just how good the pictures and videos are right now. And usually Hubsan improves on the image quality and maybe the megabits per second in future releases, so we'll see how it goes. Alright, so stay tuned for more videos of the Hubsan Zino Mini Pro, and we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.